The topic which we are going to do today is known as mental estimation. Okay. Everybody can see the whiteboard. What it meant. For example, we know that the under root for 4 is 2, right? Under root for 4 is 2. But what if you are asked to find under root of 5 without a calculator? Now you know that under root of 5 is not a whole number, but the closest number to under root 5 is under root 4. So you can approximate, this is a sign for approximate. This is sign for approximate. Okay. This is sign for equal to, and this is symbol for approximate. So under root 5 is approximately equal to under root 4, which is equal to 2. So whenever we don't know the exact value or it is difficult to get the exact value, we approximate. For example, under root 101. Now you know it's difficult to find under root 101, but we know it is near to under root 100, and under root 100 is 10. So the approximate value of 101 is 10. You people got it? For approximation, we choose the smallest possible value which is close enough. Okay, clear? Okay. Now I am giving you a value. Tell me the value for this thing. I need the value of under root 10. Give me the answer for under root 10. What's the approximate value? What's the approximate value of under root 10? Yeah, because under root 10 is closest to under root 9. So I convert under root 10 to under root 9, which is 3. Okay. Acha. What about under root 13? Tell me the estimated value of under root 13. No, Musa, why? How 7? Under root 13. Hey, Mustafa, under root 13. No, 6. Why? How 6? What under root 13? What's the closest under root? Whole number under root, not 3. Nabil, not 3. Okay, now in this question, you see the number closest to under root 13 is either under root 9 or under root 16, right? Under root 9 is 3 and under root 16 is 4, right? Now, if you see the difference between 9 and 13 is 4 and difference between 13 and 16 is 3. So under root 13 is closest to under root 16. So I will choose the number 4, not 3. You always choose that number which is closest. Okay, clear? So you always choose that number which is closest. Okay. जी, find the value needed. अच्छा, now find the value of under root 18 everybody. What's the value under root 18? So what is the approximate value of under root 18? Yeah, good, 4, because the nearest values is under root 16. अच्छा, okay, good. अच्छा, what about, अच्छा, now let's do for multiply 29 square. Now without calculator, how can you measure 29 square? Now we know 29 square into 29 square in 29 into 29. Now because we can't use a calculator, we need to approximate. So the closest whole number is 30. So I can take it as 30 square. And I know 30 into 30, it is easy to multiply 30 by 30 rather than 29 by 29. So 30 into 30 is 900. Okay. So the approximate value of 29 square is 900. Yes, 900. Got it? How about this number? 19 square. Now you see 19 square is difficult to multiply. 19 into 9 compared to 20 square. So 20 into 20 is 400. So 19 square can be approximate to 20 square, which is equal to 400. Because whole numbers are easy to get the answer. Is this clear? Is this clear to everybody? Okay, now I am writing some number. You need to tell me the estimated value. Okay, you don't have to use a calculator. Tell me the estimated value. Under root 99. That's the first question. Cube root of 999. 401 square. 103 का square. Now tell me the estimated value. Calculate estimated value. Solve it and tell me the answers. Find the estimated value and tell me the answer. Solve it on your copy. You don't need to use a calculator. Okay. Write down your answers and then we will everybody write down the calculator estimated value and then we will do it. Write your answers for the estimated value and then we will discuss. Okay. Nabil, whenever we are doing the estimated value, we don't get the answers in decimal. Okay. Now let I'm doing on the board. Everybody check the answers. Okay. We don't need accurate answers, and we don't need to use calculators. We need to do what? We need to do estimation. So for the first question, under root 99 can be written or approximate to under root 100, which is equal to 10 into 10 is 100, so I can write 10. So the answer for first one is 10, approximate value. Okay, and I told you this is the simple for approximation. For second, 399 cube root of 999 can be written as cube root of 1000, and again this can be approximate to 10 into 10 into 10 is 1000, so 10. The answer for second is also 10. Okay, the answer for second is also 10. It's cube root, not square root. When 3 is outside, it means cube root. Okay. For answer for third, 401. Now you need, what you can do is, instead of 401, you can choose the nearest number is 400, because 400 is easy to multiply compared to 401. This becomes what? 16,000. So your answer is, approximate value is 16,000. And similarly for the last part, you can also approximate the value. So always remember, in approximation, what you need to do, you need to find the smallest whole number value, which is easy to calculate. Is it clear to everybody? Okay. Now let's do another type of question for estimation. Now, for example, you have a question as 14.2 minus under root 5. Now, how would you solve it by using estimation? 14.2 can be rounded off to 14. Minus under root 5 can be written as under root 4, which is equal to 14 minus what is under root 4? 2, which is equal to 12. Okay. So you can also round it off to the nearest value and solve it easily. Did everybody got it? Let's do another one. 2.3 plus 6.2 multiplied by 10.1. So for this type of question, what you can do, you can estimate a value. How? By taking the whole number 2.3 can be written as 2 plus 6.2 can be written as 6, 10.1 into is into 10. So 2 plus 60 is equal to 62. So basically how this is how you will do the estimation questions. Is this clear? Any confusion? Is this clear? Ji Nabil, Mustafa, Taha, is this clear to everybody? Okay. Now I'm giving you some questions. You need to estimate it. Always remember, I don't need the exact value. You need to round it off, estimate the value, and then find the final value. Okay. I'm giving you some questions. Solve them. Now these are the four values. Use the concept of estimation and solve it, and tell me the answers. You have to estimate answer for every part. Okay. Yes. We are doing estimation. So you need to estimate each and every. In this question, you need not need to be accurately. You need to estimate. Okay, Taha, Mustafa, Musa, I need your answers as well. Yeah, you all done? Good. Taha, good. Good. Ji, Musa and Mustafa, I need your answers. J, Mustafa and Musa. Okay, let's do it. Now I'm doing it over here. Check your answers, everybody. For the first one, 2.3 can be rounded off to 2 plus 7 point can be rounded off to 7 and 5.1 can be rounded off to 5. So 2 plus 7 into 5 is 35. 35 plus 2 is 37. So the first value of estimation value is 37. Now the 6.9 can be rounded off to 7 minus 1 into 1.2 can be rounded off to 1. 1 into 2, 7 minus 2 is 5. Third value, under root 897. It can be rounded off to 900 and the estimated value of 900 is 30. For fourth, 10.2 can be rounded off to 10 and 12.1 can be to 12. 10 into 12 is 120. That's the fourth answer. Everybody cross check your answers. Good. Good, Taha. Mustafa and Musa, check your answers. Nabil, check your answers. Good. Everybody check your answers. Has everybody checked their answers? Ji, Mustafa, Nabil, Musa, Nabil, have you checked your answers? Okay, now I'm giving some more questions and we will solve it. Okay, it was decimal and also subtraction. Okay, I am giving the question again, do it, okay? Everybody start solving these questions. Under root 24 minus 5.2 multiplied by 6.1. That's question number 1. Question number 2 is 18 square plus 11 square. Question number 3 is 9 cube minus 4.2 cube plus 10.2. Everybody solve these three questions and tell me the answers. Yeah, you all done? .2, the closest number to 5.2 is 5 now. We always round it off to the nearest number. Okay, so it will 5. Okay, I'm writing the answers. Everybody check your answers. Under root 24 can be written as under root 25 minus bracket 5.2 can be written as 5 into 6. Under root 25 is 5. 5 into 6 30. So 5 minus 30 is minus 25. The first answer is minus 25. Second, 18 square. I can write 18 square as 20 square because it is easy to multiply rather than 18 square, and 11 square can be written as 10 square. 20 square becomes what? 400 plus 100 is equal to 500. And for part 3, 9 square, it more simple thing to do is 10 square because 10 cube. 10 cube is what? 1000. 1000 10 cube minus 4 cube plus 10. This becomes what? 1000 minus 64 plus 10, which becomes what? 9026. Clear? Is this clear? Okay, we don't need accurate answer. We need to approximate them. Okay. Is this clear to everybody? Daha? Ji Nabil, is it clear? Nabil, any questions? Ji Nabil, any problem you can ask me. If there's any confusion, you can ask me. Okay. Okay, I will be giving you homework and you complete your homework by tomorrow. Okay? Okay then. Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz.